The sunnahs of wudu are also very important, just like the fardh of wudu that we covered earlier. Therefore, we'll be going over the 13 sunnahs of wudu very briefly, inshallah. Number 1. Intention. Intention is the first important sunnah of wudu. Making intention in your heart and putting yourself in the right state of mind is very important. Number 2. Supplication. Supplication, like saying Bismillah before starting wudu, always taking the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in doing any action is very important. Number 3. Washing the hands 3 times up till the wrist and repeating the step. Number 4. Teeth brushing, using a miswak. There are also lots of benefits in doing the miswak. If you want to know them, I will make a video on that as well, inshallah. Number 5. Rinsing water into the mouth 3 times and gargling. Number 6. Sniffing water into the nostrils with the left hand and cleaning with the pinky finger of the left hand. Number 7. Combing or performing Hillel of the beard with the fingers. Number 8. Cross or passing the fingers of both hands against each other, and same for Hillel of fingers and toes. Number 9. Wash every part 3 times. Number 10. Perform masa 1 time over the head. Number 11. Perform masa of both ears. 12. Follow the step-by-step procedure of wudu or ablution. Number 13. Wash every part without delay to make sure that no part dries before the next step. So these were the 13 sunnahs of wudu. Previously, we went over the 4 fardh of wudu. If you made it till the end of this video, Jazakallahu khairan wa ahsan al-jaza. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel, and inshallah I will see you all next time with another video.